Value education. Lesson number 6. Chittu the hunter. Avoid pretense. Pretense means avoid pretending. Long ago, in a village on the outskirts of a hilly forest, lived a man, Chittu. Now, what is the meaning of outskirts? Outskirts means far away from the part of a city. He wanted to be a hunter. What did Chittu wanted to become? He always wanted to become a hunter. Chittu learned to use the bow and arrow along with other weapons. He often succeeded in shooting down birds from trees with his catapult. Now, what is the meaning of catapult? In your school, in your childhood days, you must have seen a Y-shaped stick with a rubber band stick attached to it. Sometimes we call it a gulail in Hindi. That is a catapult. One day, Chittu decided to leave the village to begin a career as a hunter. For the next few years, Chittu never came to the village. Rumors of different kinds spread about him. Rumors means false news. Some people said he became the king's royal hunter. Others said he was eaten by a lion. No one exactly knew what had happened to him. The reality was that Chittu had found work. As a guard in another village, a little far away from his own village. One day, after 5 years, Chittu decided to visit his parents. He took leave from his employer, hung his bow on his shoulder, strapped his queue of arrows on his back, tied a hunter's knife to his belt and headed to home. Headed to home means he started the journey to go home. When he reached the outskirts of his village, the villagers and his friends ran forward to meet him. He told them that he had become a famous hunter. The villagers greeted him and complimented him on his success. That night, a tiger killed a buffalo in the village. The villagers requested Chittu to hunt the tiger down. Chittu gathered his arms, means he gathered all his strength and looked for the tiger's pug marks. Now, what is the meaning of pug marks? Pug marks means footprints or tracks of an animal. He followed the marks towards the forest till they disappeared on stony ground. Chittu looked on the ground for more pug marks. A tribesman appeared from behind a tree. Chittu looked up proudly and said, "You there! I am a famous hunter. I was following the footprints of a tiger, but I can't see them anymore. Can you help me to find the pug marks?" The tribal grinned. Grinned means he smiled widely. "There is no need to look for the pug marks," he said. "I will take you to the tiger." Chittu turned pale with fright. Turn pale with fright means he was a bit frightened. The tiger. He gasped. Gasped means he nearly choked. No, no, no. You just show me the footprints. Now, why did he got frightened? Because Chittu was not an actual hunter. He was only pretending to become that he is a very good hunter. So, children, you should be proud of what you are. You should thank God for the qualities you possess. You should not pretend to be what you are not. Pretending may put you in trouble. Also, when people around you learn the reality about you, they form a poor opinion of you.